In this video, I'll be showing you how to gift a game on Steam. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using Steam on. So all you want to do is open up your Steam application, like so. Then you just want to find whatever it is that you want to gift. So for example, let's just go on this weekend deal right here. Let's say I want to go ahead and gift something. What I got to do is go ahead and find what I'm trying to gift. So let's say in my instance, it's Sonic Adventure 2, which is like an old goat. And then all you want to do is press add to cart. Even though if you're not sending it to yourself, it's going to say add it to your cart. But then this is where you select, what you want to do. So right now it's on for my account. All I want to do is put it on this is a gift, like so. Now what I can go ahead and do is view my cart, like so. And it still says this is a gift, like so. What I want to do is continue to gift options. Then it's going to ask me to select a gift recipient. And then it's just going to ask me like who I want to select from my friends list. Once I select it, I'll be able to continue to payment. So let's just select someone like so. And then I can add a custom gift message if I want to. And then I can send it as soon as possible. And then I can continue to payment. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.